Hello, this is Patrick from XPression. I'd like to show you a new function inside of the XPression Clips workflow, the ability to have the same ID number in two different projects. I'm looking at the XPression Clip Store Manager, and I'm looking at my catalog of clips, and I've got it set to the project for elections. I want to flip over to the controls here. I'm going to click on the Clip Store icon at the top of the navigation tree, and you'll notice in the recall ID options there's a checkbox here for a new option that did not used to be here. It's allow duplicate recall IDs in different projects. So if I go back to my Clip Store database, and you can see right now I've got 2500, 2501, sorry, 25,001. I'm going to change my project from elections to no project selected, and what I want you to notice is I now have a 25,000 in sports and a 25,000 in elections. And I've got a lot of repeats here, and I've also got some unique numbers. If I scroll a bit further down, you can see news is all a separate set of numbers. That's just the way I put that together. Now I want to show you what this looks like in XPression, so hang on a second and let's go take a look. Okay, so here we are in Clips, and what I want to show you is, again, you can see I've got recall IDs that are showing up. Some people will call them duplicates, but again, you'll realize they're in different projects, so they're really separate. So I'm going to go ahead and change the filter so that I'm seeing just elections, and you can see now I have a 2500 or 25,001, I should say. If I change over to sports, I also have a 2500s. Here 25,000s. If I change back to elections, and if I change back to no project selected, this is where I start to see the duplicates. So if you're going to enter these in and use fast recall, what you're going to find is you're going to get both of those numbers showing up, and you're going to have to select one or the other if you're going to use fast recall that way. Or what you have to do is go ahead and set the project that you're working in. So if I choose elections, for example, I'm going to reset the filter and just choose elections, and I do 25,001, I only get the one because I'm working in the project elections. So this is the way to use the same ID number in two different projects.